Hello, everyone. In today's story, we'll explore an important life lesson about how to make your money work for you through passive income. As we listen, we'll also learn some new words and how to form sentences using them, making English learning both fun and practical. So let's get started and stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a bulling village, lived a young man named Ran. At 25 years old, Ryan spent his days working at a local grocery store. He had been at this job for 5 years, and over time, he had climbed the ranks from being a store clerk to holding a respectable position for the past 3 years. Ryan had been consistently saving his earnings, but he felt his money was growing too slowly. Ryan began to wonder how he could make his money work for him, instead of waiting for it to grow little by little. He didn't have time to manage another job as his store work consumed most of his day. One day, on his day off, he decided to seek advice from Mr. Denier, a wealthy man in a nearby village. Mr. Denier was well known for his vast assets and businesses, which earned him wealth without much effort. He was the perfect person for Rand to learn from. Upon arriving at Mr. Den's house, Ryan found him relaxing under a large shady tree near his fields, enjoying a cup of coffee. Despite his wealth, Mr. Dena wasn't the busy type. His assets and money worked for him, which was exactly what Ryan wanted to learn. After exchanging greetings, Ryan shared his goal with Mr. Denier to learn how to make money work for him. Mr. Dena smiled at Ryan's determination. "Good thinking. It's never too early to start learning about passive income," he said. Passive income isn't just about investing large sums of money or buying gold. With the right mindset, even a small amount can work for you. If you can manage just 1 million rupiah, imagine what you could do. With more, Ryan was excited. He listened carefully as Mr. Dare continued. The first step in building passive income is simple. You need money. Save what you can from your earnings, but avoid taking out loans for investments. If you're just starting, it's much safer to work hard and save up, even if it's little by little. Do you understand? Rand nodded eagerly. "Yes, Mr. Dena, I understand. What should I do once I have some money saved?" Mr. Dena laughed lightly at Ryan's enthusiasm. "Slow down, Ryan. The second step is to resist the urge to buy expensive things right away. Don't rush into buying a luxury phone, car, or house unless you really need them. Expensive items like cars and phones depreciate quickly and can be costly to maintain, especially when your income is still modest. Instead, use that money to build your passive income." Rand felt relieved. He had always dreamed of owning fancy things, but he now understood the importance of waiting. "You're right, Mr. Daya. If I spend all my money now, I'll be left with nothing." "Exactly," Mr. Denier replied. "Now let's move on to the third step, the most exciting one, finding passive income opportunities. Look around you, explore your surroundings, and even check social media or the internet for ideas. There are many ways to create passive income, even with a small investment." As they walked through the village, Mr. Denia pointed out examples. "Look at Rudy's house. He started a small Wii service with less than 500,000 rupiah. And next door, someone began raising chickens with a similar amount. The key is to find opportunities that fit your skills and interests." Rian was amazed. He had never thought about such simple ways to start passive income. "I never realized there were so many opportunities right in front of me," he said, scratching his head in surprise as they continued walking. Mr. Denia shared more examples of people using their small savings to generate income, whether it was renting out farmland. The village was full of opportunities. Ryan, the point is to open your mind to what's possible, no matter how small the start. Ryan nodded in agreement. "I've been so focused on my job that I didn't notice these chances." They returned to the tree where they had started. and Mr. Denaya moved on to the fourth step. Once you've found an opportunity, don't wait too long to act. Start small, use your savings, and learn as you go. The challenges will come only after you begin. So there's no point in waiting for a perfect plan. And remember, it's always wiser to start with a small investment. Reduce your risk. Rand felt grateful for the valuable advice. He understood that starting small would help him minimize mistakes while learning. Thank you, Mr. Daya. This makes so much sense now. For the fifth step, Mr. Daya continued, gradually increase your investment as your passive income starts working. Use your profits to grow your business little by little, just like Rudy, who expanded his Wi-Fi service to houses. The key is to reinvest and scale up. Ryan felt energized. What's next, Mr. Denaya? He asked, eager to keep learning. The sixth step, Mr. Denaya said, is to diversify. Don't rely on just one source of income. Try starting another passive income stream. Once your first one is stable, this reduces your risk and maximizes your profits. And as a reward for your hard work, it's okay to spend a portion of your earnings. Just don't go overboard. Limit your spending to no more than 50% of your profits. Rand felt even more motivated. It's important to enjoy the rewards of our efforts. Right, exactly, Mr. Denaya responded. And finally, the seventh step, be patient. Stay consistent. Keep learning and adapt. Building passive income takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick with it, keep learning, and don't fall behind. Many fail because they stop learning or adapting. With that, Mr. Den ended his lesson. Rand left feeling empowered and full of ideas. He knew that with these 7 steps, he could start his own passive income journey and watch his money grow. After enjoying a nice lunch with Mr. Den's family, Rand said goodbye, excited to begin this new chapter. Now let's learn some new words. Passive income, money earned with little to no effort, often generated automatically after the initial setup. Example, renting out property can create passive income. Asset, something valuable owned by a person or company that can bring future benefits. Example, her house is one of her most valuable assets. Allocate, to set apart or designate for a special purpose. Example, she allocated some of her income for investment savings. Definition, money that has been saved, especially in a bank. Example, he used his savings to buy a new car. Consistent, doing something regularly and steadily without stopping. Example, consist, practice leads to better results in learning. Capital, money used to start or grow a business or investment. Example, she needed more capital to expand her store. Adaptation, definition, the process of adjusting to new conditions. Example, the company made a quick adaptation to the new technology. Today, we learned new words and sentences through this story. Remember, learning English can be fun when you practice regularly. So, keep listening, learning, and growing to truly improve your English. Let's listen to the story again and repeat after each sentence. This will help you remember and understand better. Make sure to like, comment, and share how this story helped you improve your English. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story, where we'll continue learning together.